I'm going to just make it right here. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now, I could just write the F sharp here, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in the key signature. Now, what that tells me, when I put it here, right next to the clef, that tells me that all the Fs in this piece are sharp. So whenever I see F from now on in this piece, I'm going to play it sharp. Now, that would make the G scale sound like a major scale with F sharp. So here it is. See? So we could take any of these. So I could say, okay, how many sharps are in key D? 4. And so we would use F, C, G, D. See what I mean?
It's pretty clever.
It's pretty slick, isn't it? You just have to memorize it. You're right. It's great. It works great. All right, so now we're going to go on to the flat keys. All right, the flat keys, the order of, pardon me, we have the flat keys. We're going to go to the order of flats. The order of flats is the same as the order of sharps backwards. So I could just say B, E, A, D, G, C, F. And that's the order. B, B-E-A-D, G-C-F. Some people like to say B, greatest common factor. To me, G-C-F is easy. But if you like greatest common factor, you can use it.
The way that I memorized it was, for the sharps, I say Father Charles goes down and ends battle. And then for the flats, I say battle ends and down goes Charles' father.
Okay, you can do that too. That's good too. It's easier for me to remember B, GCF, whatever helps. Folks, but if you still have to think about Father can't get drunk at every bar or something like that next week or 2 weeks from now, you're going to be behind. So we want to learn them really even faster than that. Okay, so that's a good, but you have to have a starting place. So that's a good starting point. All right, so let's go to put these on the staff. So B flat goes on the middle line. E flat goes on the fourth space. A flat goes on the second space. And then we go up for D flat to the fourth line, down for G flat to the second line, up for C flat, third space, and we're going to put F flat right at the first space there. So we just started the middle line for B, up for E, down for A, up for D, down for G, up for C, down for F. Yeah. All right. Same thing in bass clef, except we're going to start on the second line. So B flat, up to the third space for E flat, down to the second space for A flat, third line for D flat, bottom line for G flat, second space for C flat, and all the way down. We actually put that last F. It actually goes below the staff. Goes right there.